how it works in off-road. Today we're going to be working on my 2007 Toyota 4Runner. We're going to be replacing the license plate lights. I have halogens in there right now, but that never does it for me, so I always switch to LEDs. Basically on every vehicle I have, I always switch everything to LEDs. I got these sponsored by car sponsors and Precision LED. Precision LED, I get basically all of my lights from. Their products are fantastic, and so is the customer service. I'm going to show you how we're going to install these on here. Let's go ahead and get started. All you're going to need for this project is a Phillips head screwdriver. You may need a flathead to pop open the caps or to clean the dirt out if you've got some dirt in the lenses or whatever. But other than that, it's just going to be a Phillips. We're going to start by removing, you have two bolts, you have two screws, Phillips head screws, in each of the lenses. So you're going to start by removing those. Now once you get your screws undone, you're going to see that you've got this plastic cap here. And sometimes this will fall right off, sometimes it won't. First time I replaced these, they didn't. They had a lot of dirt in them. But you can just remove those, and you'll see there's a little pin on the bottom right side. Make sure that you keep note of that. Now here's your bulb. Just pull straight out. Just like so. And I'll just put that bulb anywhere, I guess. Now that you have your old bulbs out, go ahead and grab one of your LEDs. Be real careful with them. As careful as you can be. It's good to wear gloves if you have them available. They're only going to go in there one way. You just got to figure out which way they want to go in. Now that we have our new bulbs installed, let's do a test. Good to go. Now let's put everything back together. And that's my installation of the Precision LED license plate lights for the 2007 Toyota 4Runner. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps someone. Please check out the description where I will have my LinkTree and a few other goodies. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.